Raziel. Razzie, what is that stuffed animal you're holding? What is it? What is it? An armadillo?
Yes.
Where do armadillos live?
Like this.
They live in?
Texas.
In Texas. Very good. Huggy's armadillo.
A duck balloon.
Armadillo?
A duck balloon.
Oh, yeah, the balloon's stuck at Walmart.
Come on. Come on. Come on, balloon.
She's talking about a balloon that's stuck up in the ceiling at Walmart. Look, what do you have on your shirt?
Armadillo.
An armadillo. There we go. Now you're saying it good.
Oh,
Armadillo. And what's this word here?
armadillo.
It says that the armadillo lives in?
Texas.
Very good. Can you say, hey, look. Can you say hi, Aunt Rocky?
Hi, Rocky. How are you?
Hi, Rocky. How are you? That's good. Hi, Auntie M.
Um,
Auntie M. Very good. Say bye-bye.